Career advice content usually means hours of research, job market trends, salary data, or industry statistics, and AI is just changed that completely. I'm going to show you how. This career guide that you're seeing right now, it was done in under 3 minutes, and I did not write a single word myself. It was all done using autoblogging.ai with professional headlines, images, infographics, and there's a related YouTube video with FAQs added at the bottom of your blog. And let me show you how exactly I built this. So after you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard because it lets you set each detail step by step, so you don't have to memorize anything. Article title, I'm going to type why career pivots are the biggest trend this year. Alright, next. For the language, I'm going to keep it English, but Autoblogging supports 30 languages. So if your readers are in German, Spanish or French, you can switch instantly. Next. For the length, I'm going to keep it long because career article works best when they provide an in-depth context with example. But short is for a quick insight or a fast update, and medium is for balanced detail for blog readers. Next. Here I'm going to select informative because it's perfect when explaining trends, guides or advice step by step. But here are other options. Listicle is great for numbered tips or a strategize. Places is location based advice like top cities for remote careers. And service bar landing pages is ideal for HR agencies or resume service needing landing pages. Next. For the tone of voice, I'm going to keep it second person so that way it speaks directly to the reader. First person is more like a personal storytelling and third person is more neutral and editorial tone like a report. Next. For the writing style, I'm going to keep it in auto, which adapts the style related to our title and topic. But here's what other options do. Less AI words creates a natural and a human-like flow. Premium style 1 is for an SEO optimized formatting. Snippet optimizer helps your blog appear in Google's answer box. Witty is more fun and casual writing style. Conversational is more friendly approach. And professional is for a B2B brand tone. Next. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimized article, it builds SEO ready structure with keywords focused headings. FAQs will insert real questions readers are searching on Google. AI images will add visuals that fit the article with complete alt text, and infographics creates a visual summaries like checklist or a flowchart. Next, SERP analysis. Now SERP analysis is where autoblogging.ai looks at the top result on Google for your chosen topic. Instead of guessing what it works, it studies the blog that are already ranking on Google, then uses that insight to build your article so it can compete directly. You just have to enable this, and in the source context box type how you want your article to be, and in the SERP location you can also select the country where you want to rank first. Now just tick on all the 4 boxes here. Outline from competition, it copies the section structure from the highest ranking article. So this ensures your blog flows a layout Google already favors for. And external link will add references to authoritative websites like search engine reward blogs that cite credible sources, and readers also trust them more. Key takeaways will add a short summary box at the end of your blog, and a YouTube video will add a relevant video straight into your blog. So this keeps visitor engaged for longer, which boosts your SEO performance. Next, AI proofreading. Just enable this and quickly leave a note here. So autoblogging will ensure that it cleans up the grammar and the tone consistency before publishing it. Next, internal linking. Now if you already have blogs on your site, let's say career tips or resume hacks, or something related to job market trends that you have already posted, just enable this and add your domain here. Autoblogging.ai will automatically link relevant words in this new blog to those posts. That way readers click through to more of your content, stay on your site longer, your SEO gets stronger without you doing anything or linking anything by yourself. Next, human proofreading. It is optional, but if you want a human editor to refine your blog, then just enable this and quickly leave a note here. For example, check the facts or polish the tone. So for this you will require a human proofreading credit, which you can purchase it anytime from the dashboard. Now just hit on generate article, click on the history tab, Scroll down and click on the view like icon here. And just like that, your article is ready with headings, infographics, SEO, FAQs, all done in under minutes. And here's a quick tip for next time. So if you want to be even more faster, then just go to quick and single mode. It's faster version of Wizard but with fewer clicks. Just type in your article and with fewer clicks you can get a whole article ready. And you can also use a bulk generate option where you can upload up to 100 titles and generate all at once and even auto post that to WordPress. Publishing career content no longer take days. With autoblogging.ai, you can turn a single title into a complete SEO ready blog in minutes. And if you would rather spend your time focusing on your career growth, we also offer a done for you blog service where we'll write, optimize, and deliver blogs while you stay ahead of the trends. If you found this helpful, hit a like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more AI powered blogging tips.